Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. 13th question from my beginnings. Give one word for the following sentences. ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. So a person who teaches and trains an athlete. ಅಥ್ಲೀಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡುವ, ತರಬೇತಿ ಮಾಡುವ, ಆಟಗಾರರನ್ನ ತರಬೇತಿ ಮಾಡುವವರನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ತರಬೇತಿದಾರ, ಕೋಚ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? The person who teaches, a person who teaches and trains an athlete is called coach. Run or go very fast for a short distance. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Sprint. Okay, sprint means run or go very fast for a short distance. It is called as sprint. Okay, thank you.